Hi, I'm Eric Whitley, Director of Smart Manufacturing here at L2L. A recent survey conducted by L2L of upper-level manufacturing and operations leaders exposed an amazing statistic. We found that only 24% of companies surveyed have a smart manufacturing strategy, and an additional 48% of those surveyed had no idea if a strategy even existed. That is an astounding 76% of top-level manufacturing leaders who are lost when it comes to digital transformation within their company. What has become quite clear is that one of the main reasons companies do not have a strategy, or at the very least are having a hard time communicating that strategy, is because there is no clearly established roadmap to success. Or to use an old business euphemism, there is no true north when it comes to a smart manufacturing strategy. This made it clear to us at L2L that there is a need to help organizations develop and communicate their strategy. We sat down with our team, and using our collective experience gained by helping organizations implement smart manufacturing and smart manufacturing technology, we identified 13 critical processes you should be focusing on when building your smart manufacturing strategy. We then took those 13 processes and placed them into an easy-to-use online smart manufacturing assessment tool. Here's how it works. L2L's Smart Manufacturing Assessment Tool takes each of these 13 processes and breaks them into simple maturity steps that organizations can strive for while they implement smart manufacturing software and technology. Simply click on the link attached to this message, and the assessment tool will take you through each one of these critical processes. Then, read through each one and choose the level you feel best meets your organization's maturity. Once you select your answer, the tool will move you to the next step. This will happen for all 13 processes. It should only take about 5 minutes. Once you have finished, the tool calculates your smart manufacturing maturity score and sends you the results. What you end up with is a complete guide to a smart manufacturing strategy and a firm understanding of where your company grades in each one of those processes along the way. Simply stated, you get a roadmap to use as your strategy, and you understand where your company is along the path of that roadmap. So take a few minutes, click on the link below, and save your company and yourself months of frustration. And if you've already used the assessment tool, great. Keep coming back again and again to track your progress. Go to L2L.com. Make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as YouTube. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button below and leave us a comment or a question on where you are in your smart manufacturing journey. I'm Eric Whitley, and thanks for joining me.